Hello, today I'm going to do a lecture on how to subtract numbers when the numbers are larger on the bottom than on the top. We'll use different examples. So let's use something like this here. Let's go 9 to, let's go 6, 7. And we'll take away, of course, this one has to be smaller because it's not a negative number. But the rest are going to be bigger, okay? So it's going to be an 8. This is going to be a 9. And this here is going to be also an 8. Okay, so everything is larger. So we're not going to borrow. We're going to use the concept of 10. If you look at this number here, this is an 8. Okay, difference between 8 and 10 is 2. So you add the 2 to the 7, and that makes it to a 9. So automatically reduce this number by 1. So now this is going to be a 5. So the difference between 9 and 1 is 9 and 10 is 1. So 1 and 5 is 6. Put down the 6. This breaks down to a 1. So now you go 2 and 1 is 3. So you go 3. This breaks this down by 1 to an 8. And of course, if you take away 6 from 8, that leaves 2. And that's the answer. It's as simple as that. We don't want to complicate it, okay? And if you look at the numbers here, if you add this together, if you go, for example, this is going to be 17, so 7. You see it works? So everything that you add together here, the 1 will be a 6. See that? And then there's a carry. So this will be a 4, so that would be a 2, and a carry. And then this would be a 9. So this adds right back to that. What people do is when they're in school, they want to impress the teacher and show the work. So they do a bunch of steps and they put a bunch of lines and add different things because they want to make sure they weren't cheating. But if the teacher were to teach it this way in the beginning, then he or she would know that the student understands the concept. So you don't got to show your work. You just show the result of your work. It's easy to do. Okay? Let's do another one. Make some room over here on the paper. And we'll do another number. Let's do 6, 2, 4, 3. And we'll take away 4. And the numbers are going to be big now. So it's 9. This is an 8. And this is a 7. Okay? And so we'll see what we get using the same concept. We go up from 10. Okay? So 7 and what makes 10? 3. So 3 and 3 is 6. We put our 6 in. This reduces it by 1 to a 3. So 2 and 3. That's a 5, right? 2 and 3 is 5. So we put in a 5. This reduces by 1 to 1. So 1 and 1 is 2. We put in our 2. This brought it down to a 5. And 5 take away 4 is 1. That's the answer. Okay? So it's very easy to do. There's no magic. And again, if you notice that this here 7 and 3 is 13, so it all works out. It all comes back. It's very simple. So you have to kind of almost re-educate yourself that this is so simple that it works, and you're asking yourself, why are we wasting our time? For anything but. Okay, so practice that. You have a great day. All right, bye-bye.